am an oval. I am round, but I am longer than a circle. I am a square. I have 4
This
sides.
entire educational video
My
for
4
kids was
sides are
created with
equal.
AI, and I didn't need to
I am a
be an
rectangle.
animator or a
I
professional
have
video
4
editor to
sides.
make it.
I have
These
2 long
characters,
sides
the
and 2
animation,
short
the
sides.
different shapes, the movements, and everything you are
I
seeing
am a
here was
triangle.
created using AI.
I have 3
And in today's
sides.
tutorials, I'm going to take you behind the scene and show you exactly how I created this video
I
from
am
scratch
round
using
and round,
ChatGPT and Google
just
Flow.
like a
We're going
ball.
to start with the idea, create all the characters, generate the images and turn those images into videos, and then put everything together to create our final educational video. And don't worry, I'm going to give you exact master prompt I use for this project, so make sure you watch the video until the end, because I'm going to show you where you can get the prompt and use it for your own project. All right, so now we are here on ChatGPT. We've got our prompt system, and then the prompt system here, it has a character master prompt, so it's going to define exactly what the shapes look like. And then we've got the image prompt, creates the keyframe reference image for each scene. And then we also have the video prompt. Okay, so the video prompt tells the video model what moves, character actions, facial expressions, a body movement, camera movement, camera angle, timing, environment, lighting, and animation style. And then we also have the negative prompt to prevent things like extra limbs, deformed eyes, changing colors, changing shapes, and messy background, text appearance incorrectly, character redesign, and camera shaking. So here is our master prompt, so don't worry, you will get it. I will tell you where to get it at the end of the video. And then we've got the first prompt for the first character, so I'm gonna just copy the first character here, and then we're gonna visit this platform called Google Flow. We're gonna click here where it says new project, and this is where we come into. We're gonna click right here where it says what you want to create. I'm gonna paste the prompt that we got from ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna click here where it says video, and then I'm gonna make sure that I turn the mode into the image. It is currently on video, so I want it to be on image. Okay, so I'm gonna let this to be on 16:9, but depending on what you are creating your video for, you can just let it on the mode you want. Okay, so I'm gonna come here where it says Nano Banana Pro. You can just choose the one that you want. So then how many images do I need at once? I'm gonna go with ×4. Okay, then I'm gonna click on generate. And sometimes when you are creating the images here, right here on Google Flow, it sometimes give you a failed respond. So all you need to do, you can just do it again. You don't have to worry, or else we can just come back here on Nano Banana and change it to another Nano Banana mode. We're gonna leave it on the normal Nano Banana 2. Okay, and then we're gonna click here to generate. For 2, we've got our results right here. We've got 4 images, then you can just decide which one you go with. So before we decide, we can just do the second one. Okay, so we're gonna come here to ChatGPT, and then we're going to copy the prompt for the blue square. Okay, and then we're gonna come back here, and then we click on and paste the prompt from ChatGPT and click on generate. Okay, you can continuously do that. We can go with this third one, triangle. Let's okay, we've got another cute one here, which is the square, and then we can just paste another one here to generate. While waiting, we'll create another one. Click here. You see the results. All right, they're all cute. We can just make some decisions. I think this one with the red shoes is cute. All right, okay, so we've got all our characters here. Then the next move is to turn these beautiful images into the video. All right, so what are we going to do now? We're gonna go back to ChatGPT, and then we're going to start with the oval. We're gonna create the we're gonna click here for the video prompt, and then we bring it here. We can just make some selection here. I'm gonna go with this one. Let me just click on here, this at the red dot, and it's going to say animate. You click on animate, and then it's gonna bring you to here. And then what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna click here where it says video, and then you can just change it to from frames to ingredients, right? And then we're gonna leave it on OmniFlash, and then we can just change we leave the duration as 8 seconds, and then we're gonna change the number of videos. We're going to let it to be 1, and then we're gonna click here to put in the prompt, and then we click on generate. Okay, so let's have a look at the result for the purple oval that we created. Let's just click right here. Let's click here so that we can see properly.
I am an oval. I am round, but I am longer than a circle.
Make sure that you repeat this process up until you finish with all your characters. Okay, so when you are done, you can click right here to download your video. Then you can download your video just like that. Okay, so you can just repeat this process up until you finish with all your characters. Okay, so now we're going to move to another editing platform. As you are done with this one, you download them and then you put them aside, and then we're going to use them in an editing platform. So we're going to be using Canva on this one. You can use any editing platform you understand or you love. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to come here where it says upload, and then we're going to click right here, upload files, so that I bring these videos here. When their videos are ready, you can just pull them accordingly into the canvas and put them like that. Okay, and then here you can just add a transition if you want to. I'm gonna add mix and match, and then I'm gonna make sure that I put them all in between all the scenes. Okay, then when you are done, if you want to add some music, you can do that, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, so how you can take a simple educational idea and turn it into animated kids video using AI. So the most important thing I want you to remember is that the AI tool is only part of the process. The planning, the character consistency, and the prompt are what help you turn a separate AI generations into one complete video. So enjoy this tutorial, and you would like me to create more of AI educational videos like this, let me know in the comments and what topic we should create next. And don't forget to subscribe to Release Studio for more AI content and tutorials. For the master prompt, please go to my description below. You're going to find it there, and also I'm gonna leave the link, and also on the comment section I'm gonna leave the link so that you can access it easily. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
I am an oval. I am round, but I am longer than a circle. I am a square. I have 4 sides. My 4 sides are equal. I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides. I have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides. I am a circle.